lahat. Thank you for making time on a Saturday. Nakapaan niyo yung mga sarili niyo, Kamiranda. Nice! Woohoo! Hindi laging, alam niyo yun, kasama ko yung anak ko dito eh. Kailangan matutunan niya magbungkal ng lupa, yung earth. May konting kwento lang ako. Alam niyo, one of the lessons that I've learned, I've been traveling different parts of the world. Tapos pag umuwi ako, yung body clock ko nasisira, hindi ako nakakatulog ng maayos. Nagsabi sa akin na isang mentor ko before, sabi niya sa akin, ang gagawin mo, barefoot tapos tatapa ka sa lupa. Tapos ang sabi niya, that's how your circadian rhythm will reboot. Totoo yung scientifically, no? So yung magnet ng mundo, mare-reboot yon pag hinawakan mo yung lupa. It reboots you. Kasi doon tayo galing sa ash, sa lupa. So that's where we came from. So when we need to reboot, minsan nawawala tayo because nasa langit tayo. Pagbaba mo ng lupa, kailangan i-reboot ka ng magnet ng lupa. That keeps you grounded. Literal keeps you grounded. Let's feel that we're human. Now we're here to plant trees. This is our 4th year of doing this. Ba't namin ginagawa? Kasi sa palagay namin, mas binibless kami ng universe kapag nagbe-bless kami ng community. Sana pagtapos ng event, maramdaman nyo yung sense of accomplishment that we're all here to help the environment.
We just launched our MEXI Ignite X, which is yun yung CSR arm ni MEXI. So from now on, ang gagawin namin here in the Philippines is every month, we will do charity events. And of course, same like this. So every month, we're going to choose a charity. Might be orphanage, might be for the elders, might be for the yung mga nasalanta ng bagyo. And we are going to sponsor or like we are going to do CSR kumbaga on a monthly basis out of MEXI. So we're not only sponsoring Coach because of course gusto namin. It's because it's also our mission. Kumbaga yun din yung gusto kong mangyari way back before pa na halos every month is dapat may CSR tayo or tumutulong tayo sa ibang tao.
Doing this for the 4th year na. So this is really our advocacy to parang lessen the effects of cryptocurrency as a trader. So siguro sana in the coming years malalaki na yung mga halaman and all. So siguro mas malaki on the 5th year namin.
Hello! Thank you po sa ating Miranda GMMG community at salamat po na meet ko po ang mga nandito po sa ating community. Thank you po!
So, thank you for joining us for our 4th year tree planting. So, salamat lahat mga kamiranda.
Maraming salamat po sa pagsuporta po sa GMMG sa pang-4 na taon na ginagawa po to para sa community. Yun lang po. Salamat! I love you, 3,000 Kamiranda.